Hi everyone, to solve this problem we need to figure out what each person's gas mileage is in order to figure out which one is the best. Gas mileage is simply the amount of miles you can go on 1 gallon, so that's miles per gallon. So all we need to do is set up a ratio table for each person. Let's start with Sarah. Sarah can go 135 miles on 7 gallons of gas, so that's miles and gallons, 135 and 7. Because it's miles per gallon, we need to know 1 gallon, so we put 1 in the gallons row. Then we're simply going to divide by 7, because any number divided by itself gives you 1. If we do that on the bottom, we do that on the top. So 135 divided by 7. Now here we have to make sure that we're rounding correctly. So when I type this into my calculator, 135 divided by 7, I get 19.285714, and it keeps going. I typically want 2 decimal places, so I go 2 places over and draw my cut line. This 5 tells the 8 what to do. If it's 5 or higher, it goes up. If it's less than 5, it stays the same. Because it's 5, it's going to bump it up. So we are going to use 19.29. So that's 19.29 mpg, or miles per gallon. Now we have to figure out Joey. For Joey, it's still miles and gallons, but notice the order is written differently. This time it says 4 gallons of gas to go 85 miles. But if you pay attention to the units, you still know that 85 is your miles, so that's still going to go on the top. And then the gallons is 4, which is going to go on the bottom. I still want to know 1 gallon. In this case, I'm dividing by 4. So I end up with 21.25. There's no rounding with that one. It's already 2 decimal places. So that's 21.25 mpg, or miles per gallon. When you're dealing with miles per gallon, you want to pick the one that is the highest. You want to go the furthest amount per gallon so you don't need to use as much gas when you're going a far distance. So in this case, we would be better driving Joey's car because his gas mileage is 21.25, where Sarah's is only 19.29. It's not a huge difference normally, but if it's a long trip, it will make a difference in terms of how much you have to pay. Have a good day.